So we're going to speak loudly, okay? Repeat after me loudly and tap along with me, okay? And as you're tapping, I want you to look a little above, maybe find a point on a wall in front of you, looking a little higher above, your eyes fixated on that spot, and give a fake smile. You can just smile. And let's start tapping together, starting with the forehead. I eliminate, release, and let go.
I eliminate, release, and let go
All sadnesses,
all sadnesses,
fears,
fears,
emotional traumas,
emotional traumas.
side of the eye. I release and let go.
I release and let go
All the angers,
all the anger,
all the resentments,
all the resentments,
all the guilts.
all the guilt.
Under the eye, I release and let go all the judgments,
I release and let go all the judgments,
all the abandonments,
all the abandonments,
all the betrayals.
all the betrayals.
Collarbone. I release and let go all the hopelessness,
I release and let go all the hopelessness,
helplessness,
helplessness,
rejections,
rejections,
feelings of no control,
feelings of no control,
forehead, all the anxiety that I'm feeling,
all the anxiety that I'm feeling,
side of the eye, all the fears of future,
all the fears of future,
under the eye, all the indigestion pains,
all the indigestion pains,
all the bodily discomforts,
all the bodily discomforts.
collarbone, and everything else. I release and let it all go.
I release and let it all go.
Now take a deep breath, blow it from your mouth, squeeze your wrist, and say peace.
Peace.
And now take one more deep breath, blow it from your mouth, squeeze your wrist, and say peace.
Sorry to interrupt, but there is somebody who's not on mute, and that voice is a little
Yeah, that's
diverging.
okay. So I had kept them unmuted so that there's feedback. So now with your eyes closed, I want you to think of one of the happiest memories of your life. A time when you felt really, really happy. It could be a trip that you took. It could be a place in nature, or when you had an achievement in life, spending time with your loved ones. Pick any one happy memory and go to that memory like it's happening right now. And feel that joy, that happiness, the smile, the peace you felt at that time. And just feel it in your body. When you are in that memory, how good it feels. Notice where in your body do you feel this happy feeling. And then take a deep breath, blow it from your mouth, squeeze your wrist, and say peace. Very good. Now, once again, I want you to go back to that issue that you started with, go back to that emotion that you had written down, and now notice on a scale of 0 to 10, what has changed, What number are you at now? And just mention that number in the chat. For you, some of you, it could have reduced. For some, it could be same. For some, it could have increased. It's all good. So just write down whatever you experience, just that number. Wonderful. We have 3, 4, 7. Notice that emotion, that grief, sadness, whatever you started with. The hurt is still there, 9. That's all right. Everyone, be comfortable with your own pace. Don't worry about the fact that others are reaching 4, 3 faster than you. That's all right. Be at your own comfortable pace. So somebody's asked, can we hold any wrist? Yes, you can hold either of the wrists. That's not a problem. All right. So once again, get in touch with that problem, that issue that you started with. And as you feel this number, open your eyes and let's start tapping together. I release and let go. All this feeling, all the sensations, side of the eye, from the moment it started, in all the ways I represented within myself, it's safe to let it go. Under the eye, it's time to let it go. Collarbone, and as I release and let it all go, allow myself to be free, relaxed, and peaceful. And then take a deep breath, blow it out, and say peace. Squeeze your wrist and say peace. So somebody's asked, at what point do we let go of the wrist? So once you've said peace, then you can let it go. And now I want all of you to think of one good feeling adjective or word with the first alphabet of your name, first name. So for example, if my name is Geet, so it will be gregarious or good. So any good feeling word with the first alphabet of your first name. Wonderful, Sanjana ji. Yes, that does happen. You know, you feel your heart expanding as you release. Preeti, peace. Wonderful. Shine by Sapna. Gorgeous by Garima. Positive by Preeti. Wonderful. Quickly, let's put it. Sassy, Sanjana. Amazing, love, beautiful, miracle, sweet, awesome, amiable. Nice, Nicole. Hi, Nicole. Lovely to have you. All right. Has everyone written? Muskan. Beautiful. Surbhi, have you written? All right. Now, once again, go and think of the issue that you were working on. See what number are you at, what has changed, what is left, and write that number in the chat. Dynamic Deepa, wonderful. Three, 8, 2, 1. That's amazing. So Preeti, when you are at 8, Preeti Bharadwaj, so just notice what are the emotions. Just mention in the chat what are the emotions you feel at that 8. Or if there is any visual that you have, any memory that you have, just mention that. Lots of heartache. All right. So just get a knowing that heartache that you feel. What color or texture does that heartache have? Just get a knowing. You can be sufficient and sassy both, Sanjana ji. My heart is aching. All right. Black. That's good. All right. So now let's do another round of tapping. Look at the ceiling above, the wall above, give it a smile, and let's start tapping. I release and let go. All the hurts, pains, worries, in all the ways that I'm storing them within me. Side of the eye, in all the ways I have carried them for too long. Under the eye, and maybe it's safe to let it all go now. I keep the lessons and learnings. Collarbone, and I let go of all these emotions, sensations, feelings. I release and let go this heartache. Forehead, this black color, whatever it means, whatever it represents. Side of the eye, it's time to let it all go now. It's safe to let it all go now. Under the eye, and as I release and let it all go now, I become safe, peaceful, and protected. And take a deep breath, slowly blow it from your mouth, squeeze your wrist, and say peace. And now once again, go and look at the issue that you started with, see how it's changed, see if there's anything left, and give it a number. Wonderful, Preeti. And as you're writing the number, just write down any emotion that you feel is left, any sensation that you're feeling. You can mention that also. Relaxing, very good. My tummy is becoming hollow now. The weight is going. That's wonderful. Heartache has reduced. That's wonderful. Feeling lighter. Fear. The fear of reoccurrence. Yeah. Release, cry. So if you feel like crying as you're tapping, let the tears flow. That's also a wonderful way. Some of you might have this tendency to yawn. Yawning is also good during tapping. It means release is happening. Some of you might even be burping. That's also all right. That's also another way our body releases emotions. So it's all good. Betrayal. All right. So now this time we're going to do a little bit of fun round of tapping. So what you have to do is, as you're tapping, you have to sing happy birthday like a dog. Okay, while tapping. So who's going to show what happy birthday like a dog would sound like? Who's going to volunteer? Tanvi, would you like to show?
I was hiding.
I saw you. Show everyone how does the dog sing happy birthday while tapping?
Okay. Okay, so it's gonna be like bo 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 bo.
Absolutely. So everyone got it. And what we can do is you can all unmute yourself also so that we can hear all the singing dogs. All right. So let's unmute yourselves and everyone can sing loudly. All right. So let's start tapping. So I'm going to be saying some words. You don't have to, you just have to tap and sing happy birthday like a dog. Okay. So let's start. Blow it all out. Squeeze your wrist and we had such melodious dogs in the group. Lovely. So take a deep breath once again, blow it out, and say peace. And now, once again, go and check the issue, see what's left, how are you feeling, and write the number in the chat and the emotion. So Tanvi, what is it that you are thinking? How will I be able to let go of it?
My main thing is wanting to protect myself. So of course it's fear. And then, you tend to do everything around just to protect yourself.
Yeah.
So of course, I'm feeling like it was from a 10, 9, 8, and then thinking that, okay, everything is fine and things are under control and stuff. But that thing is still there, how will I be able to protect myself?
All right.
Like,
So
I want
let's
to
do
get
a round
rid of
for
that.
that, which I think is common with everyone. Somebody else wrote that, what if it reoccurs? All of that. So let's tap on that. So has everyone mentioned the chat? What number are they at? Feeling relieved, wonderful, lighter, 2. That's great. Crying has come to 0. Disrespect is 3 now, and hurt is 3 now. Very good. 2, 2. Very good.
Is this practice, should it be done regularly, once a day, twice a day, when just
Absolutely. Absolutely. Tapping is something we can do anytime we feel any emotion coming up, just start tapping. We don't even need to store it inside our body. There and then we can just release it by doing this. So you can do it every day so that you don't accumulate anything. And that's where health issues come from. We don't need that.
Geet, the words that we have to speak when tapping.
So you can just speak whatever you're feeling and just keep saying, I let it go. I let it go. I let it go. I let it go.
Okay. Thank you.
Feeling if injustice is at 3, anger is at 2. All right. Very good. So let's do this another round of tapping. Let's start. Look up, smile. I release and let go. In all the ways I'm holding on to these emotions, fears, beliefs, in order to keep myself safe. Side of the eye, however, in all the ways, they are just limiting me. Under the eye, in all the ways as I release and let them go, I give myself permission to be even more safe, protected, whole and complete. Collarbone, the more I release, the more I expand. Forehead, the more relaxed I am, the more protected and safe I am. Side of the eye, the more happy I am, the more stronger I am. Under the eye, the more peaceful I am, the more I can be of help to others. Collarbone and everything else, it's safe to let it all go now. Take a deep breath, blow it all out, squeeze your wrist, and say peace. And now once again, I want you to close your eyes and I want you to imagine that you're in a beautiful healing garden or the most beautiful space in nature that you have ever been to in life or can imagine. So just step into this beautiful nature, this garden, and just breathe in the fresh air. And just relax here. You can walk on the grass, lie down on the grass, and just relax. And as you're relaxing, look at all the different colors you see around in this garden. The colors of flowers, trees, sky, water, or anything else. Just look around and breathe it all in. All these beautiful colors. Filling your body with these beautiful colors that you see around you. Breathe them all in. Notice how your body's colored with rainbow colors, bright and sparkling. And thanking these beautiful colors, integrating them within you. Take another deep breath, blow it from your mouth, squeeze your wrist, and say peace. And then notice how you're feeling. Then once again, go and check your issue that you started with. See if anything's left. Notice how it's changed. How are you feeling now? And write the number in the chat and the feeling and emotion. Wonderful. And also, like, Surbhi shared, each one of us gets these messages from ourself at this stage. Nothing comes before self. So just notice what beautiful message you're receiving. Kept yawning throughout, not bothered anymore. Wonderful. All is well. And if any one of you has any bit of charge still left, so I would recommend, so once we end this session, you can do a few more rounds of tapping on yourself and just bring it down to 0. Kirti, so since, if there are still some tears left, make sure after we end this session, do a few more rounds of tapping and bring yourself down to 0. Sure, Sanjana ji, I'll plan this again. Wonderful. Sleepy. So, all right. So let's end quickly with a round of positive tapping. All right. So let's just tap together. In all the ways, I feel happy and peaceful. Side of the eye, the more peaceful I feel, the more happier I feel. Under the eye, the more I release and let go, the easier it becomes to let go even more. Collarbone, I'm open to receiving all the love and joy in life. Forehead, my life is filled with smiles, joy, and laughter. Side of the eye, my love and joy is infectious and contagious. Wherever I go, I spread this love and happiness. Under the eye, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Collarbone, and I'm always here for myself. And the more I am there for myself, I can be there for others as well. And all is well in my world. All is well in my world. Thank you. I love you. Then take a deep breath, blow it out, squeeze your wrist, and say peace. Wonderful. So I hope all of you are feeling lighter, refreshed.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you
Wonderful.
so much.
That's wonderful. Lovely to see your beautiful smiles. So keep tapping on yourself. You can tap every day. You can use some of the videos I have on YouTube, and I'll also share this video so that you can tap on yourself using these videos. So wonderful. So have a beautiful week ahead and a great night. And the highest in me bows down to the highest in each one of you. May this be the most beautiful week of your life. Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, Ritika.
Good night, dear. Thanks a lot,
Welcome.
Ritika.
Bye.
Thanks. Love you. Okay. Good night.
Thank you.